JJ.
And I'm Sandy.
And today we are going to be introducing to you
Glitter Dots Sparkle Signs!
If you haven't heard about glitter dots is a less mess way of playing with glitter. I don't know about your mom, but my mom hates when I play with glitter.
Yeah, my mom too. When she sees glitter all over the floor and the couch, it's like a tornado went through her. I'm like, I'm sorry, I love glitter. Ooh, it comes with like signs.
Yeah, little signs that say
Wow.
like glitter and shine and sparkle. It comes with the glitter dots. Green, purple, blue, red, orange, and yellow. And there's markers that have red, blue, teal, purple, and yellow. So this is what glitter looks like. It has a unicorn and like cupcakes and stars and a cloud.
Oh my gosh, look at this cool packaging that the glitter dots come in.
Out of all the glitter dots, my favorite color is blue. It's so satisfying.
Whoa.
I'm gonna start on the left side.
I'm gonna start on the right. We did it!
What's your favorite color?
The green, but this red looks pretty awesome.
My favorite color is purple, but that yellow star is killing it.
I know, right?
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that post notifications. We'll see you next time. Bye!
Crayola glitter dots can be found at the Crayola aisle at your local store.